I've just ordered this new Brightspace course, and you'll notice that a few of the student tools are actually from drop-down menus. I prefer not to use these drop-down menus as some of the tools you may want students to use are hidden. Students actually have to scroll down to find them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to modify your navigation bar. First thing you're going to want to do is click on the tray with the three dots on the right and click Customize this nav bar. A warning will come up that says that you must create a copy before you can actually customize it. I'm going to say, yeah, I'll work with a copy of the nav bar. Our original nav bar shows up in the links section here, and I'm going to close these off so that I can actually decide what I want to include in my nav bar. This will really vary depending on what you're offering students in your course. For me personally, I believe the checklist tool is important, the content, and as you scroll down, you'll see more tools that you could possibly provide students. As I continue to scroll, I'm going to keep selecting tools that I believe my students will use or I want them to use. Once I've finalized everything, if I hit Add, you will notice that these tools start to appear on the nav bar. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to say Save and Close, and you'll notice that these options show up on the nav bar with no drop-down menu. Students can click directly to access these tools. You can always go back in and add more tools to your nav bar by again editing this nav bar to ensure that every tool that you would like to use for students and that you want them to access is actually visible.